Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? Today I'm here with my good friend Chase, who you've seen in a few videos before. We actually filmed some stuff with his Miata, which wasn't really that popular.
I just don't like Miatas.
So this guy goes out and buys a new WRX like a week ago, just for you guys actually.
Just for the views.
You guys absolutely loved the last cold start video I did with my WRX. For some reason, I have no idea why. That video wasn't intended to blow up as much as it did and get 130,000 views. I have no idea why, but I figured maybe if I yeah, paid for them, no. So because you guys seemed to enjoy that loud exhaust cold start video I did last time with my WRX, I figured today we'd come out to Chase's house and film just a cold start and a little walk around of his new WRX. It's a 2009 WRX GR hatch, and it's actually got a Cobb catted downpipe with a custom stainless steel exhaust from the downpipe back, which is really loud. Yeah,
it's rowdy.
So it's not as cold as -30 as it was in the previous video, but it's still pretty cold. You can probably see my breath here as I'm talking, and of course all the snow. So we're gonna do another cold start video with Chase's new to him 09 WRX full Cobb downpipe and then custom downpipe. What is that, turbo back? No.
It's full turbo back basically.
Pretty much. All right, let's go.
Boys want to hear some sick revs? Oh boy, that sounds good. Yeah, baby.
Go, let's see.
Reindeer car.
How do you like this thing so far?
This thing's been awesome. It's a little bit better on gas than the Subaru. Favorite one so far? No.
Than the Subaru?
It's not as good as my STI. That's for sure.
Hold on.
Oh, sick drift.
Yo, there's a curve.
That's okay. They're just steelies.
Damn, dude.
This thing slides around like crazy.
We need more snow, actually.
We need better tires. These are like, they have like maybe like 30 seconds of tread left.
It doesn't go anywhere, actually.
Ooh! Backfires. Yeah, it pops. Yeah, it makes nice noises.
Alright guys, that's Chase's new Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Some exhaust sounds from Chase's new WRX behind us. Sounds super good, very aggressive. It's literally one of the loudest exhausts I think I've ever heard from a GR WRX like this.
It's probably the loudest Subaru exhaust I've ever had.
Yeah, like it's absolutely insane. It's just really aggressive in the tone. You're gonna get in trouble pretty quick, man.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Your neighbor's gonna hate you.
Dude, fifth gear past every cop every day.
You have to make a video if something happens to you with that.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you guys want to check out Chase's channel, it's just Chase Miles on YouTube, or I'll have a link down below in the description. He's got a Miata that he autocrosses and tracks just like every other YouTuber basically.
Pretty much.
But he doesn't film as much on that because everyone else kind of does. But he should be filming some progress on the WRX there behind us. What's some stuff you have planned, dude? What's gonna happen?
So I guess, yeah, if you guys want to see more of this car and its progress, definitely follow my YouTube channel. It's gonna be going through kind of a little bit of a facelift. I want to do wheels and tires.
Yeah.
I want to do kind of something different with the headlights. I want to find a lip. I want to do the typical stuff, but I want to make it my own because right now, like everything that's done to it isn't done by me. So
You got it for such a sick
yeah,
deal. Like,
so
I'm really jealous.
It was like it just kind of fell into my lap. It was an opportunity to trade the last car, a little bit of cash on top of my end, and then I walked away with this. So it was too good of an opportunity to pass up, especially with the amount of money that's been put into this car with modifications.
Yeah.
So
Dude, you've had so many cars, it's funny.
I think I'm at 24.
But at least you keep this for how long, man? 6 months.
I'll be keeping this for a while. We'll see. I always say that.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. We'll see if this video breaks like 100,000 views again. I have absolutely no idea how the last one did. A lot of people were commenting saying like, this video is so boring. Why does this have so many views? And I'm just as confused as those guys were because I have no idea.
I watch it every day.
We'll see if this gets lots of views or not. If it does, that'd be really funny. I always get this. The airplanes. I know they see us.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Hope you're having a great day, whatever it is, wherever you are, day or night, whatever you're watching. Peace out.
That's it.